Hey guys, how to factory reset on PC. Is your PC running slow, freezing, or filled with errors? Sometimes the cleanest fix is starting fresh. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to factory reset your PC safely without losing what matters. Stick with me and give your computer a brand new start. Now click the Start button and open Settings. And click the Update and Security. After that, you look the left side Recovery, click on it. After that, you look the Get Started, click on it. And this is the Reset Settings. And this select one. Keep data or removing all data. And this is Factory Reset, click the Removing. And this is Reinstall Windows UNI, click on it. I click the Local Reinstall. And down click the Next. And here on my laptop is the Back button. And here on your laptop is the Reset button. Click on it. And that's how you factory reset your PC. If this helped bring your computer back to life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore my other tech fix videos. See you in the next one.